Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel. How to start SEO career on freelancing sites and online through this skill. Become an SEO expert today. Master SEO tool strategies. Get your first SEO client using freelance sites. Digital freelancer training. How to start SEO career. How to become an SEO freelancer. How to become an SEO freelancer. If you have spent much time to internet and particularly if you have written online content, if you have like to come across the मैं हल्का हल्का सा बोलता हूँ ऐसे क्या कोई कौन सुन रहा है हमारी आवाज़ बट जस्ट वाट बस आवाज़ आ रही हो लगे कुछ रियल है बाकी सुनता थोड़ी हो कोई वो तो उर्दू में बोलते हैं As a freelancer and associate skill to your toolkit. Why do business and client गर्मी है? In this article, we will review what SEO is, what's involved in freelance SEO, and how to pursue this field in a part of full-time capacity. If you are seeking in a simple guide to understanding how to become an SEO specialist. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's a part of a large digital marketing strategy and refer to optimizing content published on the internet so that user can easily find that content when they use search engine. You are likely to no stranger to using search engine such as Google or Bing. People use them all the time to look up for. What are the tasks of an SEO freelancer? An SEO freelancer creates and optimizes content on the web. In particular, पागल है क्या कौन जाएगा? Keyword research in the simplest form. Keyword research is the process of identifying queries that will lead searches back. When you determine which words. How do you become an SEO freelancer? If you want to become an SEO freelancer, you're in good company. Become an SEO. Create portfolio your birth. Hope you understand, like our video, subscribe our channel and also press the bell notification icon. You never miss any update from our channel. Thanks for watching.